Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you an incredible trading tool that's completely changing the game. The BreakoutsSniperBOT. If you're looking for a fully automated, high-accuracy trading system that can help you maximize your profits with minimal effort, then you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we dive into how this amazing bot works, its performance, and why it's become a game changer for traders everywhere. The BreakoutsSniperBOT is a state-of-the-art, fully automated trading robot designed to scalp and execute breakout trades efficiently. It is crafted for traders at all levels, from beginners to experts, and offers a plug-and-play experience. You don't need to be a coding wizard or have complex setups, and just activate the bot, set your preferences if needed, and let it do the work for you. What makes it stand out is its high accuracy and reliability. The bot uses advanced algorithms to identify potential breakout points in the market, executing trades with precision and speed that no human can match. It's like having a professional trader by your side, 24/7, looking for the best entry and exit points. The beauty of this bot is in its simplicity and sophistication combined. Once activated, it scans the markets for key breakout signals, whether it's in stocks, crypto, Forex, or other assets. The bot constantly monitors price movements, volume, and other technical indicators to find optimal entry points. When a breakout is detected, the bot instantly executes a trade, aiming to capture quick profits from market volatility. Because it operates 100% automatically, there's no need for manual intervention. You set your risk levels and desired targets, and the bot handles everything. It's truly a plug-and-play system designed for ease and efficiency. One of the most impressive features of the BreakoutsSniperBOT is its astonishing success rate, a consistent 90% win rate. That's right. Out of every 10 trades, about 9 are profitable, making it one of the most reliable breakout trading systems available today. Such a high win rate can significantly boost your trading results and confidence, especially for those who want steady growth rather than risky gambles. This high success rate is achieved through continuous optimization and the use of smart algorithms that adapt to changing market conditions. Whether you're trading in trending markets or consolidations, the bot adjusts itself to find the best breakout opportunities. Fully automated and hands-free. Just set your parameters and let the bot do the work. Plug and play. No complex setups or technical knowledge required. High accuracy. With a 90% win rate, it's proven effective in real trading environments. Versatile, compatible with various assets and markets. Time-saving. No need to monitor markets 24/7. The bot works tirelessly for you. Risk management. Built-in features for setting stop losses and take profits ensure controlled risk. Many traders have already seen remarkable results with the BreakoutsSniperBOT, and it's quickly becoming a favorite among serious traders. And here's the best part. For a limited time, you can get a massive 70% off on the lifetime license directly on our website. This is your chance to steal this powerful trading tool and have it on your side for life. Imagine having this simple yet incredibly effective trading program at your fingertips every day, wherever you go. Zero stress, zero hassle, and fully hands-free trading. This one-time purchase gives you unlimited access to the bot, so you can use it daily to grow your account without worries. Don't miss out on this exclusive deal. It's a limited time offer, so act fast and lock in your lifetime license now. Getting started with the BreakoutsSniperBOT is simple. Visit our official website via the link in the description. Grab your 70% off lifetime license deal before it's gone. Connect the bot to your trading account or exchange. Configure your risk settings or use default options. Activate and let the bot trade automatically, capturing breakout opportunities all day long. That's it. Easy, quick, and highly effective. Why our trading program? Our trading system is designed for simplicity and effectiveness. No complicated strategies, no need for years of trading experience, and no stressful hours glued to your screen. It's built for regular, everyday people who want financial freedom without the hassle and headaches of traditional trading or working long hours at a job. How does it work? Here's the best part. Our program is so easy that anyone can use it, whether you're a complete beginner or someone with a little trading experience. We've simplified everything for you so that with minimal effort, you can start seeing real results. User-friendly interface. The program is designed with simplicity in mind, so setting it up takes just a few minutes. Automated trading. Once configured, the system works for you 24/7, executing trades based on smart, proven algorithms. Target daily goals. You set your daily profit target, say $150 or more, and the system takes care of the rest. Consistent results. Our users report consistently making daily profits that add up to life-changing income over time. Minimal time investment. Just about 1 hour a day to monitor and manage your trades. That's less than the time you spend on social media or watching TV. Why is this the perfect solution for you? Freedom to live life on your own terms. No more commuting, no more rigid schedules, no more bosses telling you what to do. Make money from anywhere. As long as you have an internet connection, you can trade and earn from your home, a cafe, or even on vacation. Support and guidance. We provide full support to help you set up the program. Our team is here to answer any questions and guide you through the entire process. Beginner friendly. No prior trading experience needed. We teach you everything from the start. Affordable and risk managed. Our system is designed for low-risk trading, with controlled settings to protect your capital. Our promise to you. We understand that quitting your job is a big decision and starting any new income stream can feel intimidating. That's why we provide all the support and help you need, from setup tutorials and live help to ongoing tips and strategies. You won't be alone on this journey. We're here to ensure your success every step of the way. How much can you make? Many of our users are earning around $150 per day with minimal effort. Think about that. Just $150 daily means $4,500 each month. And if you aim higher or adjust your settings, you can potentially earn even more as you get comfortable with the system. Plus, since the system runs automatically once everything is set, you can just relax and let your profits grow while you spend your days doing what you love. Imagine your life. Picture this. No more boss. No more stressful mornings rushing out the door. Instead, waking up at your leisure, coffee in hand, knowing your trading system is working hard for you. You have plenty of time to spend with family, pursue hobbies, travel, or just relax. Your financial future is in your control, and your simple daily goal is all it takes to build a life you love. Setup is easy and support is ready. Getting started is quick and straightforward. We walk you through every step. Our team provides setup assistance, detailed tutorials, and ongoing support to ensure your success. You don't need any prior experience, and just a willingness to learn and follow the instructions. Why wait? This opportunity is affordable, straightforward, and designed with your success in mind, but it won't last forever. Many people are already taking advantage of this and transforming their lives. Why not join them? Imagine a future where you're free from the daily grind, earning consistently and spending your day as you wish. All thanks to our simple, powerful. Thank you so much for watching. If you're ready to take your trading to the next level with the powerful, fully automated BreakoutsSniperBOT, now is the perfect time. Remember, you can get a massive 70% off on the lifetime license right now on our website, so don't miss this exclusive opportunity to have this high-accuracy trading tool on your side for life. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more trading tips and updates, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out. Stay stress-free and trade smarter with the BreakoutsSniperBOT. See you in the next video.